Hi students, welcome to MATH4U. In this session, let's explain some problems on Heron's formula. Okay, we have seen what is Heron's formula, how can we solve using this formula. Okay, so let's go ahead. So the first question is this one. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So it is given clearly that it is an equilateral triangle. So I'm going to draw here an equilateral triangle with side A. So all the sides are equal, we know. So side of the signal board will be equal to A. Perimeter, what about the perimeter? Therefore, we can say that the perimeter is equal to 3 into sides, right? Side, that is 3A. Then perimeter means what is called the sum of all the sides, right? And what about S, the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter, you know, perimeter by 2, that is equal to 3A by 2 or 3 by 2A, we can say. So we can write by Heron's formula. How can we find out the area? Yes, we have learned in last session. A is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? Yes. And we have here the sides, all the sides are A each, and we have S as 3 by 2A. So I'm going to substitute over here that one. Now that is S is equal to 3 by 2A into 3 by 2A minus A. The next is 3 by 2A minus A. Again, next is also 3 by 2A minus A, since we got all the sides as A. And how can we solve this? Now this is equal to the root of 3 by 2A minus A is how much? Yes, that is A by 2. So 3 by 2A, inside the bracket everything is A by 2 multiplied with A by 2 multiplied with A by 2, since all these three are same. So this will be equal to root 3 by 4A square. Okay, so how we got this? You know, all these should be multiplied together. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Outside the root, when it comes, root 16 will be equal to 4. And here also A square, A into A square, A into A square. So from that I have taken 1A square. That is how we got this answer. Now perimeter is given. Also, perimeter is equal to how much given? Perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter. What does it mean? So how can we find out the side? Side is equal to perimeter by 3, right? That is 180 by 3 is equal to 60 centimeters each the side. So now using this one, let me put it as equation number 1. Using this equation 1, we can find out the area. How? Using equation 1, we can say that area of traffic signal board is equal to, it's given root 3 by 4 A square, that is equal to, we are now substituting for A, that is 60 square, right? So the answer, you will get it as 900 root 3 centimeter square. Is it clear? So this is the way how we can solve this type of problems. So first, it is given, what all things given, you have to take it down, and you applied Heron's formula. Later you got it as perimeter also given, so you found out the side and substituted in the area. Then you got the area of the traffic signal board. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Here comes the next question. A triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 30 meter, 14 meter and 15 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 2000 per meter square a year. So a company hired one of its walls for 6 months. How much rent did it pay? This is meter square. Okay. So how can we find out? So for this also the sides are given. Sides are we can say are 13 meters, 14 meters, and 15 meters, right? So now let us find out the semi-perimeter. So for this purpose, we have to get the area first. Then only we can find out the rent to be paid, right? So perimeter, semi-perimeter, add all these together, divided by 2. Very good. This is equal to 42 by 2 and you will get it as 21 meters. Now, by Heron's formula, how can you find out the area? Yes, by Heron's formula, we can find out the area. Area of a triangle is equal to, the formula, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Very good. Now we are just substituting all these values to get the answer. So root of s, we got it as 21 multiplied with 21 minus 13, next bracket 21 minus 14 and next is 21 minus 15. Yes. So now we have to solve this, and how can we do? Root of 21 into 21 minus 13 is 8, 21 minus 14, 7 and 21 minus 15, that is 6. Okay, so how can we do the rest? Just do it. Split it. You can see here 21, 7. This 21 you can split as how? 7 into 3. This 8 you can split it as 4 into 2. Then you have one 7 over there. 6 you can split it as 2 into 3. Right? So what will be the answer you are getting? From these two 7, I'm going to take one 7 out. From those two 3s, I'm going to take one 3. From those two 2s, I'm taking one 2 out. And from this root 4 is 2. So when you do this, you will get the answer as 84 meter square. So you got the area, right? Now what we are going to do? So now the rent of advertisement is per meter square is given. The rent of advertisement per meter square. So per meter square, how much it is given? Per meter square per year. Okay, that is equal to rupees 2000. So what will be the rent of the advertisement with area? How much? 84 meters square. We got it as 84 meters square for 6 months. This is for 1 year. So what should you do? That is rupees 2000 multiplied with 84 divided by 12. Because this is for 1 year. We have to find out for, sorry, not by 12, by 2. Because at 1 year means 12 months. So 6 means you have to take the half. I hope you got it. So this will be equal to rupees 84000. So how much rent should they pay? Rent paid by the company, rent paid will be equal to rupees 84,000. So you understood how can we solve this problem, right? So let's move on to the next one. This is find the area of the shaded region in the figure. You can see here some area is shaded. And you can see that this triangle ABD is a right angled triangle. Okay. So in triangle ABD, that is a right angled at D. Okay. So I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem over here. Pythagoras theorem, you all know about Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem. How can we apply? Here AB square, AB is the hypotenuse, right? Opposite to the angle D. AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. So that AB square, we can substitute the values for AD and BD. So 12 square plus 16 square. So when you solve this, you will get AB is equal to root 400, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Now you got AB also. We have AB as 20 centimeter now, right? Now, can we apply here Heron's formula to find out the area? Yeah, of course, right? So can we apply here also? So is there any need of applying Heron's formula for this triangle ABD, or can we apply on ABC? So in this case, you can see that this is a right angled triangle ABD. So how can we find out the area for that? Area of triangle ABD we can find out by using the formula half base into height, since it is a right angled triangle. For the other triangle, for triangle ACB, we can apply the Heron's formula. Okay, is that clear? Yeah. So this will be equal to half into dB into AD. That is equal to half into dB is 16, this is 12, is equal to 96 centimeters square. Let me put it as equation number 1. So now we are going to find out the area of the triangle ACB. Okay. So to find area of triangle ACB, we have to get the semi-perimeter. S is equal to 20 plus 52. You can see the sides 20, 52 and 48. Plus 48 whole divided by 2, you will get it as 60 centimeter. Now let's apply Heron's formula over here, and you can see here area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And now you can substitute over here itself, that is 60 into 60 minus 20. You can see here ABC. Then 60 minus 52, 60 minus 48 inside the root. Everything should be inside the root. Okay. So now we are going to substitute the rest over here. Solve the rest over here. 60 into 40 you will get into 8 multiplied with 12. So this will be 480 centimeters square, and this is 2. So what about the area of the shaded region? You have to subtract the area of ADB from the area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ACB minus area of triangle ADB. So this is equal to 480 minus 96. You will get it as 384 centimeters square. So the area of the shaded region will be equal to 384 centimeter square. 384 centimeters square. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. So let me move on to the next question. You can see here the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. How can we find the area? So the sides are given here in ratio form, right? So first, as I always tell you, when it comes like this, you have to take the common ratio, right? So let the common ratio between the sides be x. Okay. So how can we do? Now, therefore, the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. Perimeter is given. Perimeter is given as 540 centimeters. So we know all the sides add together to get the perimeter, right? So now, therefore, 12x plus 17x plus 25x will be equal to 540 centimeter. So you have to add all these x together, that is 54, x is equal to 540 centimeter. From this, what will be x? X will be 540 by 54. It is so easy, right? So it is equal to 10 centimeter. So we can find out the sides now. The sides are 12 into 10, that is equal to, first is 120 centimeter. Next is 17 into 10, that is equal to 170 centimeter, and 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeters. So I hope it is clear how you got the sides. Now what we are going to do? Now we are going to find out S. So what will be S? S is equal to adding all these sides by 2, right? So all these sides I'm adding divided by 2, you will get the answer as 270 centimeter. Now apply Heron's formula. So by Heron's formula, you can write the area. Okay, formula. We are going to write the area. Area of triangle is equal to, you know the formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? This is equal to, I'm going to substitute over here for S as 270, then 270 minus 120, then 270 minus 170, then again 270 minus 250 centimeters squared, right? Yes. So this will be equal to root of 270 into 150 into 100 into 20 centimeters square. So this will be equal to 9,000 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the triangle is equal to 9,000 centimeter square. Is it clear, all of you, how we have done, how we applied the Heron's formula? Yes. So let's move on to the last question. Find the area of the triangle of which 18 centimeter and 10 centimeters are the two sides and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So we don't have the third side, right? We don't have the third side. So how can we find out the third side? Let the third side be x. We don't know, right? So we are taking it as x. Third side be x. Okay. So what will be the perimeter? It's given as 42, right? The perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. So we can easily find out the value of x now because we know that 18 plus 10 plus x will be equal to 42, right? Therefore, what will be x? X, you can take 18 plus 10, that is 28. 42 minus 28 is 14 centimeters, right? Therefore, what will be S? S is equal to perimeter by 2, that is 42 by 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. By Heron's formula, area of the triangle will be equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? Now just substitute the values. This is equal to root of 21 into 21 minus, first is 18, then 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14, this much centimeter square, right? Yes, now we are going to solve this. This is equal to root of 21 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 11 multiplied with 7. So this you can solve it by splitting as I did in the previous one. You can split this 21 as how? Root of 7 threes are 21, again this 3, 11 and 7. So take out this 2, 7 from that 1, 7. From 2, 3 I am taking 1, 3 and root 11 centimeters square. So you will get it as this is equal to 21 root 11 centimeter square. So this is the area of the given rectangle, 21 root 11 centimeter square. So I hope it is clear for you all the 5 problems we have done today. Thank you.